I'll record it. Wait, can I give me that phone? So you'll just pull this thing out before you start. You got to do a timeout.
Nagtubil og eroplano. Ay, kataas man dahil sa hose, ani. Kuya.
Instructions for fuel. I always hate this thing. The Army doesn't teach us this. So, they'll have a card for you. This is just mine for now. You're just gonna, if I remember correctly, boom, boom. Okay, cool. November 60, it knows my card, that's crazy. So you'll click our tail number, and then you'll always enter gallon amount. Never anything else. Always gallon amount.
Gallon amount.
Boom. Boom. And then, so I always put 20. I may not use 20, but it's okay.
Yeah, 20 gallons.
And then enter. Of course, it's super expensive. I'll confirm it.
How many gallon is this?
And it's on. So then you go ahead.
40
See,
gallon.
full pump on. Oh, that's probably already on, huh? Someone didn't push it back. Oh, never mind. Push the pump on. I just can't read, you know. It wasn't my strong suit. I joined the Army.
Oh.
Pump on. That's on.
Grabe ka nice sa kuan sa sky. The sky is really nice.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, I see. You want to sniff it? No. Yeah. This pump from the last time I used it, it will come back on you. It puts a lot through there, so. But I fill it all the way to the top, as much as you can.
Okay.
Don't go just to the tab. And I think somebody asked, 48 gallons total.
48 gallons?
Mhm. It's a 25 on each side, but 1 gallon on each side is not usable, so it kind of just gets stuck in there. That makes it 48.
Right, stop.
Stop.
Oh, mag-right siya dito.